Today our lesson is about this is. This is used for identification. It used to identify a specific person or thing. This is used in introductions and identifications. This is my friend, John. This is my family. This is our new office. This is used in descriptions and explanations. This is a beautiful painting. This is a great opportunity. This is how you do it. This is used in emphasis and surprise. This is amazing. This is exactly what I needed. This is unbelievable. This is used in formal and informal settings. This is John, our new CEO. Formal. This is my buddy, Mike. Informal. This is our team. Neutral. This is used in formal and professional settings. This is our company's mission statement. This is the agenda for today's meeting. This is our new marketing strategy. This is used in informal conversations. This is my favorite restaurant. This is the best book I've read all year. This is my go-to coffee spot. This is used in describing situations. This is a difficult decision to make. This is a challenging project, but we can do it. This is a great chance to learn something new. This is used in expressing emotions. This is amazing news. This is so frustrating. This is incredible. I'm so happy. This is used in giving instructions. This is how you assemble the furniture. This is the way to get to the airport. This is the recipe for my famous chocolate cake. Thank you.